Ooh. All right. So, welcome again to Military Guna TV. And as you guys know, I'm Demarai. Yeah. So we have basically completed the acquisition of Everton winger Demarai, very very prolific winger as well, and can play right across the front line, right across the front line. So we're gonna look into two systems that might suit Demarai playing for the Reggae Boyz. So we're gonna have a look at that. And let's think a little bit with the formation and system. If that is, if he would want to represent us in the qualifiers, I think that's the whole reason why he would have sought out to acquire his passport so urgently. So we're gonna look at two systems, two teams in basically, and we're gonna cross reference them and see which one of these both teams would actually be suited for the Maragray. What I want you guys to do in the meantime is smash the like button and definitely hit that subscribe button, and we're going to get into the details. So let's get straight to the meat of the matter, not wasting no time. So let's look at the first squad. All right, so this here is this here that you're seeing here is the first squad I have in mind. The formation is 4-2-3-1. Not really sure why in specific I use that formation, but I think that's a formation that we've been using for a good time now. So that's the reason why I sought to apply that formation. 4-2-3-1. So this would be the defense line. I'm gonna literally take out Hector out of this one and say, okay, let's go for Damian Lowe. I highly doubt. I highly doubt we're gonna. Well, yeah, there's a stronger chance now that Hector might be in the squad now, due to the circumstances. So we have Andre Blake in goal, Alvas Paul at right back, Damian Lowe right centre back, Liam Moore at left centre back, and Kemar Tax Lawrence at left back. Midfield pairing, double pivot, we have Devon Speedy Williams and Anthony Grant. The attacking midfield position, we have Bobby Reed, and then on the left we have Kemar Roof. On the right we have Demarai Gray, and up front, leading the line, the prolific Shamar Nicholson. Now, this would be the first system that I would look at. I think I would actually the front line is interchangeable because Demarai Gray most likely play out from coming off the left. We have seen that more so in the Premier League, coming off the left. And I also think that Kemar Roof can play on both wings, and also as the attacking midfielder, Bob Reed on the wing. So the entirety of the front line is interchangeable. Shamar Nicholson has the ability to come deep and play as a markman and support the midfielder. But I would want Shamar Nicholson to do so. I would want him to prefer Shamar Nicholson to stay higher up the pitch where he can provide that supporting element for the wingers. So in mere fact, that's the first system that I would look at. Now, we know Anthony Grant and Speedy Williams have a very, very good partnership together. That is the reason why I show you guys this first system. So let's go and take a check. We're going to go with more likely the players that we have seen so far in the World Cup qualifiers. So let's look at, I think this is the likely one. And even if Demarai Gray should not make his first appearance, with the idea of Leon Bailey might not make it, we might see Junior Flemings over onto the left-hand side unless they would recall the likes of Jamal Lowe, or maybe this is the opportunity to see Kemar Roof over on that side. So unless Leon Bailey makes a quick recovery, in which I wouldn't advise due to the fact that Leon Bailey has been facing some difficulties in regards to keeping fit. Really, really tough for him trying to keep fit. So let's move now to the next system that I would prefer. So, but if Demarai Gray won't represent us for the Mexico game, we're likely to see something like this in the forefront. Possible the likes of Mikel Antonio as well. So let's look at the next system now. The next system is going to be a particular interesting one. I'm going to show you that system. Next system now, I know a lot of people might there's going to be mixed reaction to everything. It doesn't matter. That's just how we as fans operate. Okay, so on the right back position, we have Andre Blake in goal. On the right back position, this should be Javier Brown, because you all know this system, this particular website I'm using, it for some reason does not recognize Javier Brown. So I'll just slot in Brian Brown there for reference. But it's Javier Brown, Whitecaps, Vancouver Whitecaps right back. And we have Damian Lowe as the right centre back, Ethan Pinnock as the left centre back, and Greg Lee as the left back. In front of both of them now, the same system again, the same formation again, 4-2-3-1. That's the same formation I'm going with. We have Daniel Johnson and Anthony Grant as a midfield peer, as a double pivot pairing, and I think that strikes a good balance. Daniel Johnson is actually a number 10, but he does play as a box-to-box every now and then. But it's interchangeable between Daniel Johnson and Ravel Morrison. Both of them are similar type of players, box-to-box with more creative instinct. Or we could do a system where we see maybe a 4-3-3 system. Let me see which one I can. Yes, or something like this, where we have Daniel Johnson on the right and Ravel Morrison on the left. Anthony Grant as the holding midfielder, screening the back four. This would give the likes of Greg Lee the opportunity to bump forward, and Javier Brown to go forward as well, providing that we switch wings, put Leon Bailey on the left, but Demarai Gray on the right, or Leon Bailey on the right, Demarai Gray on the left. So it's interchangeable just the same. And I know for a fact that Ravel Morrison will be the supporting element, and Daniel Johnson. Both of them are very, very good creatively. And then now leading the line, we have Mikel Antonio. And I think that's actually a fierce. I personally think this is a very, very fierce starting lineup. Time will come. We have now seen the name popping up of David Davis popping up for the CDM role. So maybe it could also be the option for the double pivot with Anthony Grant. But I strongly believe that Anthony Grant understands how we play, what we want, and he has the heart and passion for what we do. We still have the homegrown contingencies in regards to Leon Bailey, Andre Blake, Damian Lowe, both of them captain and vice captain amongst the squad. Daniel Johnson have been in the squad for years now, so not years, but definitely for a good while. So I think that contingency is there to provide the level of balance and support in regards to what we want. So tell me what you think. Tell me which one of the systems you prefer. I think this one in totality is a good one. We could go back to the 4-2-3-1. We have Daniel Johnson and Ravel Morrison, and both of these players are interchangeable. The reason why I changed the system because both players are interchangeable. The attacking element. The good thing is that we have more attacking minded players who we are willing to go forward and get something done. Be on the front foot, attack the team, attack the play, attack the game, and I think we can be successful by attacking the game. That's how you win football these days. Can't defend for 90 minutes. That's just football. But in all aspects, so, well, I won't go any further. So, go in the comment section, guys. Please tell me what you think. And don't forget to smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, and share. And I will see you guys again. Military Guna TV, people. And I am out.